Good afternoon, all. The influence of a good teacher can never be erased. So, happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers present here. We had an exciting opportunity to explore and appreciate our host institution by taking a tour of the World Konkani Center. This tour has provided insights into the facilities and initiatives that will contribute to our educational environment. So, what a beautiful start to our program with the lighting of lamp. So, as we bask in the warm glow of this lamp, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome our distinguished President of World Konkani Center, C.A. Nandagopal Shenoy, CAO, Chief Admin Officer, Dr. B. Devdas Pai, Trustee of KBASP, Konkani Bas Ani Sanskriti Pratishthan, Shri Gilbert D'Souza, Shri Surendra Nayak, Trustee DPS MRPL, Shri Manjunath Shastri, Trustee DPS MRPL, our panelists, esteemed educators, and other dignitaries, and my dear colleagues. It is my honor to welcome you all to our special celebration of Teachers' Day here at World Konkani Center, Mangalore. My name is Namrata Suvarna, and I'm a school counselor at Delhi Public School, MRPL, Mangalore, and I'll be your MC for this event. Today we gather here to celebrate and appreciate the vital role that teachers play in shaping the future of our nation. We are privileged to have teachers from Delhi Public School MRPL, Mangalore One School, Chinmaya School, and Shakti School Mangalore with us. To begin our program, I would like to invite CA Nandagopal Shenoy, President World Konkani Center, to deliver the opening remarks.
ಕೊಂಕಣಿ ಭಾಷಿಕರ ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ವಿಶ್ವ ಕೊಂಕಣಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂದು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಈ ಶುಭ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ ಸರ್ವ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಮೊಗಾಚೋ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಅನಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತೃದೇವೋಭವ, ಪಿತೃದೇವೋಭವ, ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ದೇವೋಭವ, ಅತಿಥಿ ದೇವೋಭವ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವು ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ದೇವೋಭವವೂ ಹೌದು, ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿಯೂ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಅತಿಥಿ ದೇವೋಭವವೂ ಹೌದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಭವಿಷ್ಯದ ಒಂದು ಭಾರತ ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಕೇವಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿಯವರ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಆಶಯ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಕನಸಾಗಿರಬಾರ್ದು, ಅದು ಪ್ರತಿ ಓರ್ವ ಭಾರತೀಯನ ಒಂದು ಕನಸಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷ ಒಂದು ಶಬ್ದ ಕೊಂಕಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಅದು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅಂಚಿಗೆಲೋ. ಅಂಚಿಗೆಲೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನಮ್ಮವ ಅಂತ. ಅದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೊಂಕಣಿ ಮಾತಾಡಲಿ, ಅವ ಕೊಂಕಣಿ ಕಿವಿಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಅವ ಅಂಚಿಗೆಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಇವತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿಸುವ ಒಂದು ಈ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಕೊಂಕಣಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಂಚಿಗೆಲೋ ಸೀಮಿತ ಆಗಬಾರದು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾರತೀಯರಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಜಾತಿ ಮತ ಧರ್ಮ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಭಾರತೀಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನಾವೊಂದು ಅಂಚಿಗೆಲೋ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಬಂದು ಸೇರಿದ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ದೇವ್ ಬರೆಂಕೊರೋ, ಸರ್ವೇ ಜನ ಸುಖಿನೋಭವಂತು ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.
Thank you, sir, for those inspiring words and for setting the tone for today's program. Now we move on to one of the most anticipated parts of today's event, the panel discussion. Our topic for discussion is the role of teachers in developing future citizens of Bharat. This discussion will dwell into the responsibilities and impact of teachers in shaping the future of our nation. I am pleased to introduce our moderator for the panel discussion, CA Gopal Krishna Bhatt from Trisha Classes, Udupi. Joining him on the panel are Vidyavant Acharya, Director, Sharada Residential School, Udupi; Vidya Kamath from Mangalore One School; Purnima Bhatt from Chinmaya School, Mangalore; and Akshata Shenoy, Amrita Vidyalayam, Mangalore. So let us look forward to an engaging and thought-provoking discussion. Over to you, sir.
Good afternoon to everyone, and heartfelt thanks for being on this special occasion, and happy Teachers' Day to everyone. You put your lot of sweat, lot of time, lot of energy to make our students much more brighter, to be a part of the great nation Bharat. Shall you have a round of applause to everyone?
Very important that the teacher has to upgrade herself or himself. because now, as you said, technology is at our fingertips. Children have more access to technology, and everybody knows the content. But, sir, again, I would say now I've seen videos where AI is replacing teachers. Recently, I just got a video where a robot is taking up lessons. But I think, yes, we have to upgrade, but at same time, I don't think robots or AI it cannot replace teachers.
We believe in bringing up Swastha Sustira Samaja Nirmana. This is our motto, this is our tagline, and this we do by guiding the children towards loving the nation.
Every child must be taught one or the other skill. Without skill, a child cannot come up in the life. Where education fails, skill will help to come up in the life.
It depends on the teacher what kind of concept she is giving. Give something, ask them to think on their own, go out from the room, take that kind of topics and give them such assignments. It is possible. It is possible.
If we can handle it well, we at Rashtrotana, we speak that our institution is an anger-free zone.
The best policy to control this type of problem is to follow best cop, bad cop policy. See, at home, if a father is very strict, mother will be very helpful to the child. If a mother is very strict, at least father should be very close to the children.
Skill subjects are introduced, and through that, financial literacy, banking, consumerism, everything is a part there. So the child gets exposure to all these without its knowledge, perhaps when it is in younger class. Okay. So again, that may help the child, to become an entrepreneur, as you said, if it has a better picture of managing and spending money at a very young age.
Work for success, you become a master. But you work for satisfaction, you become a legend. Always remember this. You yourself should be the role models. When you look, when your students look at you, they should feel that, yes, this is how I want to be. Whatever you deliver, whatever you teach, whatever you inculcate in your students, that must bring a positive change in their life. You are blessed to take up the most noble profession in the whole world.
ಈ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಎಜುಕೇಷನಿಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ, ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಎಜುಕೇಷನಿಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ದ ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ಬೇರರ್ಸ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ರೋಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಮಚ್ ಮೋರ್ ವೈಬ್ರೆಂಟ್, ಮಚ್ ಮೋರ್ ರಿಚ್ಫುಲ್, ಮಚ್ ಮೋರ್ ಡೈವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್.
Thank you, sir, and our esteemed panelists for the enlightening discussion. Your insights have been invaluable, and we have all learned so much about the crucial role teachers play in shaping future of youth. Before we conclude, I like to invite Sri Manjunath Shastri, Trustee of DPS MRPL, to deliver the closing remarks.
Knowledge comes by education, and then wisdom comes by experience. If both are blended together, then we can give a very good quality education to students and then make a independent Bharat.
I would now like to invite Srimati Sheila Balamurli, Principal of Delhi Public School MRPL, to deliver the oath of thanks.
Sirs, your expertise, wisdom, dedication to society at large and education in particular have greatly enriched us and left us spellbound.